national, both electronic, print, and social media. Indeed, we have a very important announcement to make, and here we have our Honorable President of Tripura Motha and the President of YTF to highlight and enlighten you with the issues for the upcoming. So,
thank you. Welcome all the young friends today to be here. And we have very important announcement. Instead of 18 of this month, it has been preponed to on 17. So on 17 there will be rally and deputation to district magistrate of all the district, and our rank and file, all the workers, grassroots level, district level, block level, our leaders and workers will be organizing the deputation. So in the deputation, we have only one single issue, which will be submitted to the district magistrate, addressed to the governor, because Tripura Motha has already submitted our appointment with the governor of Tripura, but so far we have not received any positive reply. Therefore, we thought we are going to launch peaceful democratic movement in front of the district magistrate of all the district, and it will be addressed to the governor, appraising the governor to exercise his power of constitution to summon for village council election, which is already behind a schedule of 1 year. Therefore, we feel the same governor, head of the state, constitutional head of the state also, like President of India, Prime Minister of India, Governor, Chief Minister, they are all abiding under the Constitution of India. But why they are not organizing and this village council election were surprising. So we will be moving the office of the governor to convince him. The same governor is under the Constitution. So under the Constitution of India, 6th schedule has to be implemented. Why they are not implementing it? So it seems to be very shy and shame for us to appraise ex-minister, if there be, ex-MLA, ex-CM, ex-chairman, ex-MDCs. All will join the movement wherever they are, nearest to their district magistrate office. And we'll be inviting all the retired personnel also. And we have our very strong women forces. Women also will jump. And our youth president is right here. He will also share some words with you. And we will be very frank and will be very, very sweetly approaching the administration, the governor, so that we want to help the administration also, especially the constitutional head, because we are abiding by the Constitution. So it is surprising to us, not only us alone, but to everybody in the state, why they are denying the constitutional provision. The very governor and the very MLAB, CMB, they are all abiding under the Constitution. But for village council election, why they are so timid? Why they are so weak? Why they are not strong enough to convene timely? So many elections we have participated. Now there will be election in some of the big states of the nation. So I believe the media will be very positive, and we will have no other option, but we will go on peaceful movement. If this time they do not do it, then there will be stronger movement. And we will not invite anything which will lead us to confrontation also. Thank you.
Ni adong rongno singtini oro press meet hemani o phaimanjak phaigesini party ni president Sir Vijay Kumar Uncle Nakadri Nketai Sing Painai 17 tarik Omasni 17 Sing Joto Sara Tripura Joto district wise Sing deputation Rwnai DM Nithani Tai Sing Je Biskang ni Panchayat election Je Inyang Tongmani Omoni Bagini sin deputation DM Nithruti Governor Nithani senior deputation Yafar Zaknai Tai Ang Joto YTF ni Adong Rogno Tai Joto TWF ni Tai Joto Tipra Motha ni Adong Rogno Sini Sir President Vijay Uncle Samani Taisingo Joto party ni Kormokota Rogno Adong Rogno o je deputation participation Khainin Baye Koijawa Tai o Sini party ni Eba Joto je Podo Tongnai Adong Rognobo Koyo Borok o deputation participate Khainai Tai Omni Logiwo Sini TTADC ni CM Deputy CM EMs MDC Rogbo or deputation participate Khainai Hambai Kun Sungane